Hello everyone, myself Dr. Imran Mithani, Department of Zoology, Dr. Ambedkar College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Chandrapur. You all know that we are in a state of a pandemic, a deadly disease caused by a virus, COVID-19. So we are running through this pandemic and we are studying every day the new things happening in this field, and new research is being taking place to analyze the spreading of this disease and the way we can control this disease. One of the most read factor about this virus is that this virus is mutating every now and then. Till now, this virus, it is said that it has been mutated nearly 11 times. So for a general man, it is quite easier to read that the virus is mutated 11 times. But what is this mutation and what are the effects of this mutation? So to know this, today I am going to speak on mutation. Now mutation, I am going to speak on DNA mutation. So mutations are heritable changes in base pairing of DNA. This base pairing DNA can change or it can be altered. This alteration or change of base pairing is known as mutation. These mutations are either through spontaneous errors in DNA replication or meiotic recombination. This can also be a damaging effects due to physical or chemical agents. Now there are many physical or chemical agents which can cause a damage to the DNA combination or any genetic combination. This type of genetic combinations are supposed to be happening in this coronavirus also. The gene which is mutated is called as mutant, and the animal which is going through this mutation on the organism is known as the mutant. These mutations may be harmful or this can also be useful. Now harmful, we know much about the harmful effects of mutation, but there are many useful effects of mutation also. As we are nowadays eating grapes which don't have any seeds inside, there are many, you can study about bananas. Nowadays bananas are very sweet. This type of changes have been brought about through mutations, means induced mutations. The scientists induce some sort of mutations and they bring about the required changes. But the harmful changes, like the virus is going through 11 mutations, so it is changing its structure on regular basis. So it becomes really difficult to produce a vaccine for this virus as it is changing on a regular basis. So these are some dangerous effects of mutation. And also this mutation plays a very important role in evolution. Evolution has its effects. Now evolution can be caused by it can be said that evolution is an effect of mutation, because evolution is a sequence where an animal changes its character and in the course of time a new species is generated, or you can say comes out. Now these are some effects and positiveness of mutation. So we have discussed already what is mutation. Now next slide. This shows a normal transition and transversion of the transcription and transversion. Now there are many types of mutation. On the basis of some characters, mutations have been divided into different types. So let us see some of these types. On the basis of causes, mutations are of spontaneous or induced type. Then on the basis of change in structure, the changes in structure brought about by the mutation, mutations are of substitution, deletion or insertion type. Now on the basis of cell type, or where the mutation is happening, mutations are of somatic mutation or those are of germ cell mutation. Now on the basis of effects, the effects brought about by mutations are of many types like silence, missense, nonsense or frame shift mutation. Now let's see some of these types in detail. Now spontaneous mutation. In spontaneous mutation occurs naturally due to replication error and meiotic recombination. But the rate of this type of mutation, that is the spontaneous mutation, is very rare because of the high fidelity rate. As the high fidelity rate is there, the spontaneous mutations are not possible to take place. Now next is induced mutation. Mutation occurring due to some external factors. These are very important. Some external factors bringing about the mutations like chemicals, radiations and some other physical factors also bring about mutation. These type of mutations are very important because these produce new and required species. The scientist can bring about, or the researchers can bring about a species which is having a required characteristics, and they can delete the unwanted characteristics. So these are induced mutation. Now next, on the basis of base pairing, the mutations are of some different types as we have already seen. Now base pair substitution. Base pair substitution, it is a type of point mutation where one nucleotide is replaced by another. It is further divided into, here what happens, a nucleotide is replaced by another nucleotide. This type of mutation is further divided into two types, that is transition. In transition what happens, a purine is replaced by purine or a pyrimidine is replaced by pyrimidine. Now same type of changes are taking place, but it will give some certain changes or certain type of mutation. The next type is transversion. In transversion what happens, a purine is replaced by a pyrimidine or a pyrimidine is replaced by purine. In transition, 4 types of mutations are possible, but in transversion 8 types are possible. Now next is base pair deletion and insertion. Now first we have seen substitution, now base pair deletion and substitution, insertion. Base pair deletion and insertion, in this case a nucleotide is either added or deleted. It is mainly causes frame shift mutation. Now next, somatic and germ cell mutation. In somatic and germ cell mutation, what happens? A mutation taking place in the somatic cell is known as the somatic mutation. But the best part of this mutation is that this mutation is not inherited to the next generation. But in germ cell mutation, a mutation happening in the germ cell is known as the germ cell mutation. These type of mutations are inherited to the next generation. So these are somewhat important ones, because this germ cell mutations are very important in the field of evolution. Next is silence mutation. In silence mutation, what happens? There is no alteration in the amino acid composition of protein formed. In this, you can see in the example given, there is a substitution happening. No doubt there is a substitution happening. There is a change in the combination of the DNA, or you can see genetic material, but this is not altering the amino acid composition of the protein formed. This remains the same, so it will not have any change. This will not bring about any change. That's why it is known as a silence mutation. Next is missense mutation. In missense mutation, what is happening? In this type, mutation leads to change in amino acid composition. So this is somewhat dangerous. This is bringing about the change in the amino acid composition of the protein form. Okay. So this will bring about a change in the amino acid composition. Now this change can be a useful type, or this can be a harmful type also, but these changes are really small changes. Now next is frame shift mutation. In this type of mutation, this leads to a change in the amino acid composition, but this change is somewhat higher one, or this occurs due to deletion or addition of some of the one or more nucleotides. In missense or nonsense, what happened? There is a change in only one or two nucleotides, but in this case, addition or deletion of nucleotide took place, but these nucleotides were more in number. Okay, so this change will be a big one. As you can see in the example, the nucleotide, or you can say the amino acid composition, has changed to a drastical one. So these are some types of mutation, or you can say this is the detailed study about the mutation. So I hope you have understood what is mutation and what are the types of mutation. Now you can analyze the type of mutation which this virus is going through. This virus is going through a spontaneous change, and also some insertion mutations are also happening. As this virus is moving across the globe, this is changing according to the geographical barriers, according to the environmental changes, according to the habitat of the habitat. So these are really dangerous signs, and this is a very big challenge for the person who is creating the vaccine for this particular virus. I hope you have enjoyed this session. Thank you so much for